Good morning. Now, have you recapped all of your sounds to warm your phonics brains up? If you haven't, make sure you watch that video first. Now, let's get on to today's phonics. Yesterday, we looked at this sound. Do you remember the two different sounds that these letters make? See, repeat, meet, treat. E. Say it with me. E. Bread, feather, death, head. What sound does it make? E. Do it with me. E. Ready for some more sounds? Now, this letter actually has 4 different sounds. The English language is very confusing. Today we're going to look at 2 of the ways that you can say this sound. Do you think you know? A. Say it with me. A. A. Say it with me. A. 2 of the sounds is A and A. We're going to be thinking about that today. Can you think of any words that have the A sound? H, A, K, A. Can you think of any? Here's 4 that I thought of. Do you know the words? They've all got the A sound in. What do you think this might be? Splash. Can you sound it out with me? Ready? S, P, O, A. Shh. We have the A sound. What do you think this one might be? This one's easy. Ready to sound it out with me? H, A, T. Hat. Good. What are these people playing in? Ooh, one of my dots has gone missing. Band. Ready to sound it out with me? B, A, N, D. Band. We have the A sound again. And what's this? It's a laptop. Lots of different sounds in this one. Are you ready to sound it out with me? U, A, P, T, O, P. Laptop. Good. So, we know that it makes the A sound, and you might have thought of some more words of your own as well. Can you think of any words that have the A sound? You might want to pause the video to have a think. Maybe even write them down. Here's a few examples that I've thought of. Can you see what they are? Let's look at this one first, the A sound. It's an apron. Ready? Can you hear how it says A this time, not A? Ready? A, P, R, N. Apron. Goes the A sound. Ooh, you might not know what this is. There's lots of them in England. Do you know? It begins with the A sound. It's something called an acorn. Ready? With me, I want to hear you. A, K, O, N. Acorn. What's this, do you think? They have wings and a halo, and it begins with the A sound. It's an angel. Ready? We'll get a bit quicker now. A, N, J. Ooh. Angel. One more time. A, N, J. Ooh. Angel. Good job. And last but not least, I'm getting a bit hungry looking at this picture. Do you know what this is called? It begins with B, A, Shall we reveal it? B-A-G-L. It's a bagel. Shall we sound it out together? B-A-G-L. Bagel. Well done. So, it's time for your reading challenge. In these sentences, some of the words have the A sound. Some of them have the A sound. I wonder if you can recognise it. I'm going to give you 10 seconds to read each sentence and then I will reveal the answers. If you want to, you can pause the video. Your first sentence. Read it out loud. Pause the video if you need more time. I put my hat and apron on. Ooh, it looks to me like I have both sounds, at and apron. Oh, and of course, and as well, a. Can you read it out loud? I watched my laptop whilst eating a bagel. Can you see the A sounds? Now, we're going to look at this A sound in tomorrow's lesson. That's another sound that the A letter makes. Can you see what sound it makes? Watched. Ooh, hard one. We'll do that tomorrow. Laptop. A was eating. Again, that's another. Oh, in fact, look. Isn't that what we did yesterday? E. The E turns the A into a different sound. And B-A-G-L, the A sound here. So we've got my A and A. And of course, A on its own. Last one. Can you read it to yourself out loud? Good. Do you know what A and A sounds you can see? The angel splashed. A and A. Well done if you managed to read all these sentences. I think we're ready for test time. Pause the video, grab yourself a whiteboard or a piece of paper so you can start to write down these A and A spellings. Are you ready? Number 1. Sand. Sound out all the sounds you can hear. Sand. Number 2. Fact. Fact. Sound it out. Number 3. Ant. Ant. Number 4. Bagel. Bagel. And number 5. Apron. Apron. Definitely sound that one out. Think of all the sounds you hear. And finally, are you ready for my sentence challenge? Listen really carefully. You'll probably want to pause the video for this one. The angel's hand made a splash in the sea. The angel's hand made a splash in the sea. One last time. The angel's hand made a splash in the sea. Let's see how you did. Mark your work. Sand. S-A-N-D. S-A-N-D. Fact. F-A-C-T. Fact. F-A-C-T. Ant. A-N-T. Ant. A-N-T. bagel. B-A-G-L. Apron. A-P-R-N. A-P-R-O-N. Well done. I wonder how you did. Let's see if you've got the tricky challenge of the sentence. The angels, the A sound, hand, the A sound, made a splash in the sea. Pause the video and see if you've got the spellings of that sentence. Great job, everyone. It's now time for you to play the game. Well done for working super hard. See you in tomorrow's Phonics.